Hey guys, it's a beautiful day. It's Mark. Welcome to my channel. Today I am very excited because we are going to be putting more fish into our pond. We will be buying and putting them today to the pond behind me. As you notice, there are no plants there. We are going to be adding in plants that is going to be in the corner, the white corner at the back of the pond. And also we're going to be adding water lettuce, water hyacinths, probably some lotus if we could find one today. Basically, just want to share to you some ideas on how we could beautify our pond and make it look a lot better. So guys, the pond is really complementing my plants over here. I've got some allocation on the other side. I've got a spider plant. I've got a philodendron, choco rojo. I have the Dracaena, this one over here, and I have this ginger shell at the bottom. Okay guys, now that everything is in place, let us now go for the most exciting bit of this vlog, and that is buying our fish and our plants. So, what are we waiting for? Let's go! Hey guys, just about to get into a taxi, but while waiting for the taxi, we're gonna have a coffee here. And let's just talk about the kind of fish that we're gonna get. It's really important to know what you're gonna get. So in my case, it's a pond outside. I wanted to get something that is not high maintenance, some fish that would get along with my existing goldfish, something that is good to look at from the upper angle. A fish that's also not too small, not too tiny, because this pond particularly is, I wanted it to be a bigger fish pond, probably the size of an average goldfish. So those things are things to consider, some of the things that I need to consider. Another thing, moving on, is the plants. The reason why we've changed our the look on this pond is because so much plant has, it's devoured, it's taken over the pond. So we wanted to take some plants that is, that's beautiful, but it's not really taking the show out of the fish. We want to be able to showcase the fish more than the plants, but the plants is a plus. So we want to get something that is not big, instead something that is just thin, probably tall, and just pretty to look at, but not too much. Okay, so cheers. Okay guys, so tired, so I had to walk from the shop to the MRT station. There's no taxi going. I couldn't get my Grab working, but we have successfully got the fish. I have to say that was a crazy trip. It took forever, but we're finally home. And actually it matches some of my existing plants already. The spider plant looks a little bit like it. I have two of this. We're gonna put it right at the corner. So the next ones we're gonna be putting in are this water hyacinths. They are great. They sometimes have flowers too. They're beautiful. So we're gonna put it at the very edge. Okay guys, so that's the only plants that we're going to be putting into our pond. We wanted to keep it as minimal as possible so that we don't ruin the balance. I'm going to give you a closer look at it. So there you go. There's a water lettuce, there's the bamboo water plant, or the water lettuce, and some of these lilies. I'm happy with what I'm seeing. I'm very excited to put the fish in. These are the guys that I got from the fish market. I've got 3 of this beautiful Oranza goldfish. They are fully grown. They're very beautiful. Each of them are different, and they're gonna be getting into that pond very soon as their new home. I have another addition to the family, which is the koi fish. So these are faster, bigger fish, and I'm sure that this is gonna add character into the pond. I'm very excited to see them get in. My only worry is that they jump out of the pond. That's another issue we need to figure out. Okay guys, so everyone is in. We've got a total of 20 fish now in the pond, and they all look very happy, just checking around the pond. The kois are pretty fast swimmers, so they've been swimming around and getting familiarized with the deck, and some of them are shy, hiding behind the water hyacinth, but I think they'll be just fine. So guys, if you're asking how much I spent for the entire thing, so basically I've had this pond for a year now, and I bought the thick plastic, sort of like a tarpaulin, probably for like $20 for 2 to 5 meters. And then the pots, I bought four of them at $5 each, so it's 20 plus 5, and I've already had them stones before, so $25 in total, excluding the fish. So it's really cheap and affordable. I think that if I can do it, you can do it too. Oh, I forgot about the pump. The pump is $10, so it's $35 in total, Singapore dollars. So that's $20 US. Having a pond at home is probably one of the best things I've ever done in this balcony, because they do have so much benefits for me. They make me feel relaxed on a stressful day. I could watch this fish 4 hours, and you sort of like build this one-sided relationship. They don't really care about you, but you care about them, and they rely on you so much. So as I've said earlier on, the fish selection is very important. I've chosen the koi fish to go along with the oranda fish, goldfish, because they're both non-destructive to each other, and they are both fast swimmers, and they're perfect match for each other. The koi that I bought are the small ones that it's gonna take a long while before they grow, but eventually they grow a lot bigger, and that would require a lot more space in your pond. So for another couple of years they'd be a lot bigger. Maybe I'd be able to afford a bigger pond, and hopefully I'm still around to show you. So along with the fish, I also got this feeds, royal red from the fish shop, and we're gonna try this. So guys, that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you again next time. Bye!